You want this? No. Sorry, I keep thinking you're Frank.
Yeah, he's getting pretty agile. That little Spider-Man jump off the trampoline.
Terrible throw.
That was my fault. That had nothing to do with you.
I don't know, but I'm capturing it for my
Come on, throw it to me. Come on, or throw it to Ben. Throw it to Ben.
Throw it, Zach.
Throw it!
Throw it back. All right, catch it.
Ready?
Catch it.
Here it comes.
Goal.
Throw it. Oh, where's it going? Oh.
Yay!
Ready?
I think he likes the better one. Yes, I think he wants us to. Yay!
Whoa!